Famous Finds, the channel that shows your next find.
In this video, we are going to talk about the must-have gadgets TikTok made me buy it part 2. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Since there are new trends every second, there may not be much time left to grab your hands on some of TikTok's most popular viral things. While the app may be a hub for amusing challenges, clever hacks, and popular recipes, it's also worth checking out before you buy just about anything, because it's likely that someone on TikTok knows about the product you're looking for and may even have tried a ton of other products you didn't know you needed. Here are the 8 must-haves gadgets TikTok made me buy it part 2. Number 8. The HyperChiller HC2 patented iced coffee/beverage cooler. Without dilution, the revolutionary design of the HyperChiller can cool a cup of hot coffee by up to 130+ degrees in just 60 seconds. When you pour hot coffee inside, it comes into contact with 2 layers of ice-cold stainless steel, which together have a surface area more than 30 huge ice cubes but don't allow any dilution to occur. By precisely fitting into the workflow you've already established for making hot coffee in the morning, HyperChiller streamlines the hitherto complicated process of making iced coffee at home. Think about saving the $4 and the 15 minutes you normally spend visiting the coffee shop. Within 2 weeks, the HyperChiller pays for itself. It's no longer necessary to fuss with difficult brew over ice recipes. Cooling hot coffee is now simple. The HyperChiller will significantly lower the temperature of your beverage in just 1 minute. You can now pour over ice without the ice melting right away. To enjoy it ice cold without ice, you can keep it in the HyperChiller for a little while longer. Simply store it in the freezer between uses so that it is always available when you need it. Number 7. Robo Twist Electric Jar Opener. The as seen on TV jar opener Robo Twist is reputed to easily open even the most difficult jars. By robotwist.com, which was registered in January 2016, is the product website. For a total of $26.94, which includes $6.95 for delivery, you can purchase Robo Twist. For a $10 cost, you may add a free robot can opener. And mechanical jar opener that opens nearly all sizes of jars is called Robo Twist. According to the directions, it can work with jars with a diameter of 1 inch to 3.5 inches and lids that range in size from 1.2 inches to 3.5 inches. To use, just set the Robo Twist on top of a tightly closed jar and push the button 3 times. It will initially grab the lid before starting to unscrew until the jar is opened. Robo Twist will typically do the trick. It can open a variety of jars, including some that are difficult for the typical human to pry open because of their tight seals. However, there are several circumstances in which Robo Twist might not be as useful. Some jar designs, such as those with thick lids or glass that is tapered, could be excessively slippery, requiring you to hold the jar in place. Robo Twist is probably not made to handle lids that small, such those on soda or ketchup bottles, as some customers have attempted to do. You may read my evaluation of it below to see how well it handled everything else despite not being able to open a soda bottle. The Hamilton Beach Open Ease Automatic Jar Opener is a well-liked rival online. That device, which has a very similar design to Robo Twist, presently has 2,000 customer reviews and a 3.8-star rating on Amazon. That product will have many of the same advantages and disadvantages as Robo Twist. It appears that One Touch Jar Opener, which was advertised a number of years ago, is being imitated or rebranded as Robo Twist. The Robo Twist or similar goods can make an excellent gift for elderly people or arthritis sufferers. Number 6. Keenray Towel Warmers in the bucket style. It provides quick heating up in only 1 minute and gets to a maximum temperature in just 6. With a single button, this luxury bucket towel warmer has a heating time of up to 60 minutes. Nicely done design, quite simple to use. Always keep the towels warm and comfortable. Use the warmer with more assurance whether you're taking a fast shower or a long, soothing soak. The towels will be completely heated by this bathroom towel warmer. No longer a cold spot. When you exit the shower and transform your bathroom into a spa-like setting, a whole new universe will greet you. The bucket and lid can be easily separated for quick cleaning, and the round base is stylish and attractive. The towel warmer is light enough to move around the house and runs quietly and effectively. Number 5. Tipsi tray held in one hand. Never has it been simpler. Use the banister on stairs, open doors, and balance while using your free hand. The Tipsi tray is made to make life more simpler for you and your loved ones. Regain control of your surroundings by moving freely, safely, and easily on a single-handed tray. For the house, workplace, or restaurant, a fantastic bar service tray and beverages tray. The single-handed Tipsi tray is made to withstand constant use. Easy storage and mailing are made possible by the detachable handle. Additionally, it has more than one stacked tray. Their packaging is entirely recyclable and plastic-free. The Tipsi tray streamlines the procedure whether you're bringing drinks up to the home office or pouring tea at your neighborhood cafe. The Tipsi tray has a modern stainless steel design that ensures it will be durable and functional for many years to come. For restaurants, these are excellent serving trays. Or a bedside tray. It won't degrade or harbor bacteria like a bamboo or wood tray would. The Tipsi tray is rectangular and fits well on coffee tables or kitchen countertops. Most homes have square edges. This convenient serving tray is what your home has always needed to transport one plate and a drink or up to 7 drinks simultaneously. Up to 9 beverages or 1 plate and a drink can fit on the 14-inch circular Tipsi tray. Number 4. Miseyo Wide Identity Theft Protection Roller Stamp Set. Fear not, the Miseyo Identity Theft Protection Roller Stamp expertly safeguards your sensitive data while saving time. There is a risk of burning and a bad smell. With a cover that prevents ink evaporation, dust and stains, and emits no smell, roller stamps are a secure and convenient way to conceal your confidential information. Using the Miseyo Identity Theft Protection Roller Stamp is the simplest, fastest, and most efficient way to secure your information because noisy shredders create a mess of paper. Roller stamps are the quickest and safest way to protect private information while throwing away confidential documents in the garbage because they simply roll the documents you wish to recycle while simultaneously protecting them. Number 3. Bondic Pro UV Resin Kit Liquid Plastic Welding Kit. Bondic is completely waterproof and heat resistant when fully cured. After it has dried and become hard, it is clear and can be painted or sanded. When the liquid is exposed to the UV light from the integrated LED light, which has an easy press button, it cures quickly to form a solid bond. There is no risk of drying up in the container because the solvent-free solution stays liquid until it is UV hardened. Everything you need to start mending is included in the kit, which is kept in a convenient metal case and includes a handheld applicator, an LED UV light, 2 tubes of liquid glue, and a 15-inch by 15-inch cloth. Number 2. The XGIMI Horizon Pro 4K Projector. You may now watch your favorite 3D movies at home. The clever 3D feature of Horizon Pro allows you to watch 3D movies in any room of your home. With a lot of ease, you may transform your regular movie nights with family and friends. With the help of HDR10 technology, Horizon Pro can produce stunning images with the proper level of contrast in both bright and dark settings. Any time of day, take in all the crisp, clear detail of your favorite sports or movies. When projecting dynamic material, Horizon Pro's MEMC frame interpolation technology actively reduces visual flutter and tailing. You can project your preferred media, apps, and games directly through Horizon Pro from any mobile device thanks to a fully integrated Chromecast capability. It's simple to connect to your Horizon Pro. For a more complete audio experience, connect with a LAN cable, use one of the 2 HDMI, ARC, or USB ports, or attach your headphones. Do you dislike cables? Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are also compatible with the Horizon Pro. Number 1. WindTalk Space Heater. With the help of this space heater with fan, you can instantly warm yourself and your loved ones up or provide cool air. Utilize the 2 heat settings and the fan-only setting to suit your specific heating and cooling requirements. The oscillating heater delivers evenly distributed comfortable heat in the winter and refreshing cooling in the summer. No matter the season, stay cozy by purchasing this oscillating heating fan with cooling. The oscillating space heater provides heating in a matter of seconds by utilizing the strength of an innovative ceramic PTC heating element. But even though the portable electric heater operates without making any noise, we didn't surrender on that front, just 40 dB. i.e., you'll maintain concentration on your leisure activities. To beat the chills, perform at your best, and reduce overall heating expenditures throughout the chilly winter, add this space heater for indoor usage any place in your house or business. This heater, which was inspired by a tree branch, oozes refinement in contrast to the outdated space heaters that everyone owns. The international if and idea honors went to our original design. The portable heater's lightweight design makes it portable and easy to carry. Use this compact oscillating space heater fan combo as a personal heater for your workplace desk, living room, bedroom, garage, or child's room. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.